Good morning.
Good morning.
Break. Good boy. Welcome to Melissa's cooking show.
Featuring Christmas pajama pants.
Oh, we got mimosas.
Oh, yeah.
You want mimosas?
Cheers.
Good morning. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a day in our life during this quarantine time. They just announced that we are at stay at home until further notice, basically. They didn't really give us a date. So today we are just gonna make some breakfast. We're drinking some mimosas. I'm bridal AF. Think about it. So right now Melissa is making some blueberry pancakes, sausage, and I'm gonna have an egg.
Hot cakes. Those are giant compared to what I normally make.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
All right. Ready? Hibachi. Oh!
Dang it.
Maverick, you get a pancake. Sliver.
All right, vitamins have been taken, and now we can start cleaning up breakfast, getting ready for the day, and we'll see what we do next. Everything is all cleaned up. I just finished cleaning the kitchen, and now I'm gonna jump in the shower. All right, so we finished getting ready and cleaning up breakfast and making the bed. So now we are going to start talking about what we're going to film today. So I think we're going to start filming what we're doing during quarantine, like what do we call it?
Like a ideas video of like unique things to do while you're stuck at home. So today we're gonna film us baking something. We're gonna pull everything that we have to bake out of our pantry, all those mixes that everyone has in their cupboards, and go from there.
Yeah. And I think we're also going to try and organize the office, right?
Yeah, I'm not very excited for that.
Are we gonna have time for that?
Yeah, I think that's gonna take a while because we have a lot of junk in there, but we'll see.
Yeah, we're just gonna.
His bone in the corner, in my pile of clothes.
That's a great hiding spot, Maverick.
Good job. No one will see it there. He's so funny when you give him a bone. He walks around the house crying with it and tries to hide it different places. Like he'll dig in our laundry basket and put it at the bottom, or like move a pillow and put his bone there and then like nose the pillow back. It's really cute and also a little weird. All right, so we're gonna start setting up for the baking segment of our next video.
Should we get the brownie mix out?
Well, I'm gonna do that on the video. I'm gonna pull it out. I don't know what we're making yet.
Okay. Do we want a light?
Yeah, I got that light like they had.
So until we get ourselves a nice light, a nice circle light or whatever, we've been using this and it's been working pretty fine. Just kind of turn that on. That's good.
No big cookie dough bites. I'll make these. Brown.
Navi, say hi! Alright, so while Melissa is making her baking video over there, I just kind of wanted to show you last night we decorated and put our living room back together a little bit. So we have some furniture. We got our bench back here, our shoes, our television back set up. think it looks really nice. We'd like to reorganize this. These are all clothes that Melissa is selling on Poshmark. So if you're interested in buying some clothes, definitely check her out on there. Let's check on Melissa, see what she's got going on. Melissa thinks she might have messed something up.
No, I didn't mess up. It just like looks lumpy, but it just says...
It's only lumpy because...
No, like these little powder chunks.
Are those powder chunks or are they berries?
It says mix just until blended. So I mean it's blended.
Yeah.
I don't think they want you to go crazy with the mixer, right?
Okay.
Very carefully. Ready?
All right, so while we're waiting for the muffins to bake up, we are going to have a Nerf gunfight and film it, and it's going to be on our 5 things. So we've got our camera set up and our lights set up here. And
Here's the guns.
now we just need some guns.
Besides these guns that I already have.
Damn! You got guns, girl.
Alright, what do you want to use? The big ones or the little ones? Why do we have options?
Let's use both of them.
2 guns per person?
Yeah, we'll have like one on our holster.
I'm nervous for this actually, because it's gonna hurt.
It's not gonna hurt.
Alright, let's go load up.
Or is it like you get shot, you're dead?
No, because
Or do
I'm
we have a
gonna die
respawn?
right away.
Do we have a respawn point like Call of Duty?
Yeah, but are you gonna admit when I actually hit you?
Yeah, I'll admit it. First one to 5 kills wins.
Oh.
Yeah, pull it back.
That comes out.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Let me know if it hurts.
Ah, stop. Ah,
Does it hurt?
no. And then, but once you get up from the couch, you count to 10, and when you reach 10, you can be shot. Got you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. When Nerf gun fights go wrong.
Max blinded me.
Yeah. All right.
It hurts.
You okay?
At least my eyeball didn't pop.
She's pretty red.
Is it?
Yeah. But
I don't want a black eye.
Wow. All right. So I guess that is the end of our Nerf gun war, and I believe I won. I mean, pretty sure.
I get the sympathy win.
I don't know. I think I won. I technically like hurt you, you know? So did it like hit you? Did you blink?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Man, I wish we had a camera angle of that.
That's mean. I feel like I can see my eyelid. Like I can't see my eyelid with this eye, but I feel like it's swollen. Or I have a spot of blurry vision. My life is over.
Sounds like it's cocktail time.
Cocktails.
Yeah. I guess we're just gonna have a little cocktail just to smooth down a little bit and relax, you know. So.
Mimosa, please.
Mimosa!
Oh, we're gonna have to drink plain orange juice when the champagne's gone.
I'm drinking vodka.
Oh, a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Is tequila and orange juice a tequila sunrise?
No, I need grenadine on there. Just a little bit of grenadine in there, but I mean, it's still good.
Yeah.
Cheers. All right, so we decided to take a little break and take Maverick for a walk and go down to the mailbox. All right, so we just finished up some lunch And Melissa's eye seems okay. It's getting a little bit better, but still a little bit red, still probably a little sore. But yeah, we're gonna start doing the office, organizing that, and try and get as much done as we can with that. Might not get too much. It's already almost 6, so.
Wait, lunch at 5:30?
So we had some lunch at 5:30.
We're gonna have a late dinner, like 8:30.
Yeah, we're gonna have like a 8:30
3
dinner.
hours before we eat again.
So we're pretty tired. That was a lot of thinking. It took us about probably an hour and a half to do that, maybe an hour. Looks pretty good. I mean, at least we got all of the paperwork on the desk all cleaned out. We're gonna start cooking some dinner. Well, Melissa's gonna start cooking dinner, and I'm going to put a dry rub on some ribs that I got yesterday, and so we can cook those for dinner tomorrow. So Melissa has cooked a beautiful dinner. Some white rice and some veggie stir fry.
Kung Pao.
With some Kung Pao sauce on there. So we are ready for chill mode and ready to start relaxing. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi, my eye's better. Can't even tell.
So yeah, please subscribe and like this video and share it with a friend. Bye.